You think what are the problems of your country, and then start pitching up, thinking of ideas how to resolve them, how to eradicate poverty, how to eradicate post-disaster or disaster risk reduction, to introduce it, how to eradicate illiteracy, how to promote cost-efficient, technology-driven education material to those kids who are out of school. So you have a lot of problems in your own backyard which can be resolved by yourselves through your own innovative ideas. Help your country, help your people in the private sector, in the public sector. This ecosystem, like NUST has developed with the partnership, this ecosystem is ready to support you, to incentivize your performance, to encourage you, and you are our future. We will always support you, and we will try to scale up. We will encourage NUST to scale it up also. And this innovation driven in competition, my dream is to take it down to schools also, so that because ideas at times, it doesn't care for the age. You can see a lot of youngsters in the schools, they are also, so they have to be encouraged. So we have to develop a system of innovation-driven knowledge activities in the schools and colleges of Pakistan and abroad. But again, I congratulate the winners of this grand finale, and I would like to be back again next year to again join this celebration of these wonderful kids doing such wonderful activities.